To set up a secure folder on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter security and privacy, and after that we can scroll down until we find more security settings. Open it, then go for secure folder. Inside you will see introduction to the setup. You can read through it if you like. I'm gonna skip so that we can set up a secure folder instantly. So here, wait until the app for secure folder is created. And when it's done, you'll be able to choose which secure option you want to use for it. For example, we can go for a PIN to unlock the folder, password, or pattern. We can also use fingerprints for it. So in this case, we're gonna go for a pattern. Then continue and continue. Allow lock reset with Samsung account. In case that you worry that you will forget a password for your secure folder, you can use Samsung account to recover it. In this case, I'm gonna skip it. I think I won't forget it. Then we can move to the next step. Choose what happens when secure folder is locked. Close all apps while locked. That means if you have any apps in your secure folder and you close it, all of those apps will also close at the same time. Allow background activity while locked. That means if the secure folder is locked, you'll be able to use those apps if you opened them previously. Then there's hide secure folder for more privacy, which means you'll be able to hide it. But now finally, when we have our secure folder set up, we'll be able to either add apps and hide them by clicking on this plus button, or alternatively, you can click on the three dots and add files, which will allow you to add different files to the secure folder as well. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.